Macaroni said the people their money have to make. So Montego Bay have been going through a lot lately. A lot. There was a whole flooding in Montego Bay recently. And a lot of people are saying that the Lord is coming, and this shows that the Lord not sleep, because there's a lot of crime and violence that happening in Montego Bay, because it has one of the highest murder rates in Jamaica, and that's where most of the scammer them and people live. Even Tamily on Instagram say Montego Bay, when she say God not sleep, a sign of all the killings and all that were going. He put that up on his Instagram page, and quite honestly, I don't think it has anything to do with God. I think that the water is coming back for the land. That's what I think is happening. Plus, Montego Bay doesn't have a proper drainage system. Their drainage system is not good, and Montego Bay always gets flooded out. Also places in Kingston. But Montego Bay wasn't the only place that flooded out, and Montego Bay is assigned $20 million already. Okay. Portland was also another place that was severely flooded out in Jamaica, and we don't see any $20 million being sent to Portland for assistance or for flood relief. And quite honestly, I think it's a bit unfair. Also, our lovely Prime Minister, Mr. Andrew Holness, have said that he has allocated about $10 million for each constituency to fix roads. And $10 million for certain constituency is not enough. I felt like he should have assessed each constituency and seen which constituency needed the most money to fix roads. Like St. Thomas, for example. Even Popcorn, they try protest the roads in St. Thomas because they're so deplorable. People have been protested for weeks now, and he gave them 10 million also. I don't know if that's going to fix the problem, but that is a step in the right direction. And although Montego Bay full up of scammer and full up of gunman and full up of crime and violence, you see how fast they made sure that Montego Bay had a fund relief or flood relief for that particular place, because that's their bread and butter. That's where most of the tourists come. That's where the airport is located. They have to secure the bag, secure the coins, and all that. So that's neither here nor there. I'm sorry for everybody that was affected by the flood in Montego Bay. I hope you guys get back your business up in order, because I know a lot of businesses were flooded and products mash up and water, fungus, and all sorts of stuff. I hope they get their business back up in order, and I hope the schools resume soon, because the schools were cancelled because of the flooding. So comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about this story. Do you think that the Lord is coming and that's why Montego Bay flood out? And do you think all the crime and violence that have been going on in Montego Bay and that's why it has flooded? Or do you think that the water is coming back for the land? So, and what do you think about all constituency getting $10 million, even though certain constituency have worse roads than others? What you think about that portion? And tell me what you guys think about the $20 million being sent to Montego Bay immediately for flood relief, while Portland is still, or Portlanders are still suffering from floodwaters, and there's no mention of any flood relief for them. So comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about that. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm out of here, man. Deuces.